Stop wasting money on cleaning products that don't work. We analyzed thousands of customer reviews, compared best-selling products, and narrowed the list down to 10 cleaning tools that are actually worth buying. Some of these products can save you time, others make cleaning easier, and one of them could completely change the way you clean your home. Stay until the end, because our number one pick is one of the most highly rated cleaning products on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 10. Microfiber cleaning cloths. A quality microfiber cloth can replace dozens of paper towels. It traps dust, absorbs spills quickly, and cleans glass, stainless steel, wood, and countertops without leaving streaks. They're reusable, machine washable, and an affordable essential for every home. Number 9. Scrub Daddy. This sponge became famous for a reason. In cold water, it stays firm for tough scrubbing. In warm water, it becomes soft and flexible for delicate surfaces. It lasts longer than many traditional sponges and resists odors, making everyday cleaning much easier. Number 8. Swiffer WetJet. If you want sparkling floors without carrying around a heavy bucket, the Swiffer WetJet is a great choice. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for everyday cleaning on sealed hard floors. It helps you finish the job faster with minimal effort. Number 7. Electric Spin Scrubber. Cleaning bathrooms can be exhausting, but an electric spin scrubber does the hard work for you. It removes soap scum, grime, and stubborn dirt from showers, bathtubs, tiles, and grout, while reducing the effort needed for deep cleaning. Number 6. O-Cedar Easy Ring Spin Mop. This spin mop has become one of the most popular cleaning tools for a reason. The built-in wringer removes excess water with a simple foot pedal, while the microfiber mop head picks up dirt efficiently and reaches corners with ease. Number 5. Bissell Little Green. This compact carpet and upholstery cleaner is a favorite among homeowners and pet owners alike. It's perfect for removing stains from carpets, couches, stairs, and even car interiors. Small in size, but surprisingly powerful. Number 4. Steam Cleaner. Steam cleaners use high-temperature steam to loosen dirt and sanitize many hard surfaces without harsh chemicals. They're excellent for kitchens, bathrooms, tile floors, and other areas where deep cleaning is important. Number 3. Shark Cordless Vacuum. A cordless vacuum offers freedom and convenience, and Shark is one of the most trusted brands in the category. It delivers strong suction, handles both carpets and hard floors with ease, and makes everyday cleaning much faster. Number 2. Air Purifier. A clean home isn't just about spotless floors. Dust, allergens, and tiny particles also remain in the air. A quality air purifier helps reduce airborne particles, helping your home feel fresher and creating a healthier indoor environment. And finally, number 1. Robot Vacuum. If there's one cleaning product that truly saves time, it's a robot vacuum. Modern models can map your home, avoid obstacles, recharge automatically, and clean while you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. For busy households, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Those were 10 cleaning products that actually work and can make your cleaning routine faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you'd like to check out any of the products featured in today's video, you'll find all the links in the description below. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.